So earlier today I noticed my RODI unit was not putting out as much pressure as it normally does. On my gauge I can see that I have it set to about 80 psi with my booster pump, and it was sitting closer to 70-75. Now that's not a tremendous difference in performance, but it is something to take note of. Generally when this happens, that means that you might want to replace your sediment cartridge or one of the pre-filter cartridges in your system. However, with my Aquatech 8800, I do have this wire mesh pre-filter, and it's a good thing that I do, because sometimes loss in pressure on your 8800 or any booster pump can be due to some, let's say, clogging, because material can build up in the pump, which is why it's a good idea to have a pre-filter. As you can see here, this is my pre-filter, and look at all of this. You can see the wire mesh on the right, which is what water flows through, and all this solidified gunk that is built up on it. Really hardcore. So this, I suspect, is playing into the ability for my 8800 to produce pressure for my RODI. Just goes to show, if you got a booster pump, it's definitely worth your time and money to get a pre-filter. Now, my incoming TDS is around 700, but it can fluctuate anywhere from 700 to 1,000, so I've got a lot of gunk coming on the inlet side, which is why these pre-filters end up saving the more expensive components down the line. So, just as a friendly reminder, clean your pre-filters. And just to confirm, I just put the pre-filter back in now that it's cleaned off, and I am back up to 80 psi. So, once again, if you want to maintain the maximum performance out of your RODI unit with a booster pump, make sure to clean that pre-filter.